Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to summarize the incident that happened way back in August 1985, where the infamous Japan Airline 123 has been involved in a tragic accident that killed 520 out of 524 passengers on board. Without further ado, I would like to pass to all members from Group 12 to describe the chronology and discuss all the technical or engineering issues as well as the ethical issues that plays a significant role causing this catastrophic.
Hello and welcome to our presentation. And now for the introduction. Air travel is incredibly safe today, but this wasn't always the case. Historic incidents like the 1977 Tenerife collision and the 1950s Comet disasters taught engineers vital lessons: better communication, stronger materials, and stricter maintenance. Each tragedy sparked reforms that saved countless lives. Now let's turn to Japan Airlines Flight 123. In 1985, a Boeing 747 flying from Tokyo to Osaka crashed into a mountain, killing 520 people. The cause: a faulty repair from 1978. After a tail strike, technicians used a shortcut to fix the rear bulkhead, creating stress cracks. Over time, these cracks caused explosive decompression mid-flight. The plane lost control, but the crew fought for 32 minutes to save it. Tragically, rescue teams arrived 14 hours later, too late for most. The disaster exposed three failures: engineering shortcuts, poor maintenance checks, and delayed emergency response. Yes, yet its legacy is profound. It pushed global reforms in repair standards and rescue protocols. As engineers, Japan Airlines Flight 123 reminds us every decision carries life or death consequences. Safety isn't just technical, it's a moral duty. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nabil and I will be explaining on the topic discussion. So firstly is the accident overview. So the accident occurred due to rapid decompression that led to loss of control and crash. The plane has crashed into Mount Takamagahara in Japan, and it consists of 520 fatalities and 4 survivors. So the root cause of this accident is improper repairs of rear pressure bulkhead after 1978 tax track incident, incorrect installation of rivets, and also metal fatigue. So the impact of this incident towards the aviation safety is: firstly, it has led to a stricter maintenance regulations and improved inspection protocols, and nextly, it has enhanced pilot training for emergency handling and also reformed search and rescue operations for faster response times.
So hello, I am Nizam. Moving on, I will discuss about the technical or engineering issues on the incident. On 1985, Boeing Corporation said that the Japan Airlines 747 jetliner that crashed into a mountain and killed 520 people had been incorrectly repaired after a less serious accident in 1978. For a period of 7 years, the metal finally causing high concentration following an explosion due to air leakage. This affected serious damage to the hydraulic control panel, which Boeing pilots are only depend on it rather than traditional flight controls. For 32 minutes, pilots will struggle in a condition of Hubert oscillation until finally it drifts away from the course.
The ethical reasons behind this tragedy is negligence in maintenance and accountability. Boeing engineers improperly repaired the aft pressure bulkhead in 1978. Japan Airlines maintenance team failed to detect the faulty repair for 7 years. Second point is corporate culture and lack of whistleblowing. Japan Airlines' strict corporate hierarchy discouraged employees from reporting safety concerns. The regulators JCAB failed to enforce strict oversight. Mishandling of emergency response. Delayed rescue efforts led to preventable death. Meanwhile, other countries had faster response systems. Last point is lack of transparency and public accountability. Japan Airlines initially denied responsibility, delaying acknowledgement of maintenance failures. Ethical crisis management demands honesty over corporate reputation.
Some recommendation that we can suggest from this tragedy is in the aspects of engineering repair standards and oversight. The faulty repair of the aircraft which weakened its structure when unchecked. leading to cracks, failure, and the crash, highlighting the needs for strict repair checks and oversight to ensure aviation safety. This Japan Airlines disaster was both an engineering and ethical failure, as poor repairs, misinspection, and lack of accountability compromised safety, highlighting the needs for ethical training to prevent future mistakes. And the lack of legal accountability for the 520 deaths in Japan Airlines enable profits over safety, highlighting the needs for laws that punish engineering negligence, ensuring fines, legal action, and strict safety compliance. In conclusion, the Japan Airlines Flight 123 disaster was a tragic lesson in engineering ethics and safety, which caused by poor repairs, failed maintenance, and weak regulations. This proved the needs for strict inspection, ethical responsibility, and legal accountability to prevent future tragedies.